Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to find Telegram channels on PC. Telegram channels are a great way to stay updated and connected with your favorite topics and communities. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Ensure that your app account is synced up and you're logged in. Look for the search bar located at the top left corner of the screen. It's represented by a magnifying glass icon. Type in the name of the channel you are looking for in the search bar. You can enter the exact channel name or relevant keywords to narrow down your search. As you type, Telegram will display the search results in real time. Click on the channel that matches your search criteria. Once you click on the channel, you will be redirected to its details page. Here, you will find information about the channel and its administrators. To join the channel, simply click on the Join button. Congratulations! You have successfully found and joined the Telegram channel you were looking for. Now, you can enjoy the content, participate in discussions, and stay connected with like-minded individuals in the channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.